Black holes are among the most fascinating objects in the universe. They are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Imagine a place where the fabric of space and time is distorted beyond recognition. This is the enigmatic realm of a black hole. The boundary of a black hole is called the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Once something crosses the event horizon, it can never escape, not even light. What lies beyond the event horizon remains a mystery. Black holes are invisible to telescopes that detect light, X-rays, or other forms of electromagnetic radiation. However, we can infer their presence by observing their effects on nearby matter. For example, a black hole can pull gas from a nearby star. As the gas spirals toward the black hole, it heats up and emits X-rays that we can detect. These X-ray emissions are a telltale sign of a black hole's presence. Black holes form when massive stars die. A star is a balancing act between gravity and nuclear fusion. Gravity pulls the star's mass inward, while nuclear fusion in the star's core pushes outward. When a massive star runs out of fuel, nuclear fusion stops. Without the outward pressure, gravity takes over. The star's core collapses in on itself. This collapse triggers a supernova explosion. The supernova ejects the star's outer layers into space. The core, however, continues to collapse. If the core's mass is greater than about 3 times the mass of our sun, nothing can stop its collapse. The core collapses into an infinitely small point called a singularity. This singularity is the heart of a black hole. It is a point of infinite density and zero volume. The gravity of a black hole is so strong because its mass is concentrated into an incredibly small space. Imagine the Earth squeezed into the size of a marble. The gravity of this marble-sized Earth would be immense. Black holes behave like cosmic sinks because their gravity pulls everything in. Just like water flowing down a drain, matter falling into a black hole spirals inward. This inward spiral is due to the black hole's immense gravitational pull. Anything that gets too close to a black hole will be trapped by its gravity. Not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape the pull of a black hole. This is why black holes appear black. Section 4. Matter's demise, the fate of cosmic debris. As matter falls into a black hole, it forms a swirling disk of superheated gas and dust. This disk is called an accretion disk. The accretion disk is incredibly hot and emits intense radiation. The intense gravity of the black hole accelerates the matter in the accretion disk to incredibly high speeds. This causes the matter to heat up and emit X-rays. By observing these X-rays, astronomers can detect and study black holes. As matter spirals closer to the black hole, it gets hotter and hotter. Eventually, the matter reaches the event horizon and disappears from our universe. What happens to matter inside a black hole is a mystery. Some scientists believe that matter is crushed out of existence at the singularity. Others believe that matter might be transported to other parts of the universe through wormholes. Section 5. Can black holes overflow? Black holes are often depicted as cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking up everything in sight. However, black holes don't actually suck in matter. Instead, matter falls into them due to gravity. Just like a sink can overflow if too much water is poured into it, a black hole can also overflow if it accretes matter too quickly. When a black hole accretes matter at a very high rate, it can release powerful jets of energy and matter. These jets are thought to be powered by the black hole's spin and magnetic fields. They can extend for thousands of light years and can have a profound impact on their surroundings. Black holes remain one of the most intriguing mysteries of the cosmos. Their immense gravity and enigmatic nature continue to captivate scientists and the public alike. As we continue to explore the universe, we are likely to uncover even more about these fascinating objects.